Tomorrow, one of two Spokane teenagers suspected of beating a World War II veteran to death expected to plead guilty to first-degree murder. 17-year-old Keenan Adams-Kinard will appear before a Superior Court judge and admit he's responsible for the death of 88-year-old Shorty Belton in August of 2013. KXLY4's Jeff Humphrey working for you tonight with why Adams-Kinard's been offered that plea agreement in a case in which a lot of people would like to have seen this go to trial. Jeff?
Nadine, you'll have to look at the KXLY Facebook page to know a lot of people are hoping that Adams-Kinard and his co-defendant would spend the rest of their lives in prison. However, that was never a possibility from the terrible day this all happened, and has a lot to do with the facts of the case and the way these teenagers were charged. He survived getting shot during World War II, only to die during a strong-arm robbery back here in Spokane. What happened to Shorty Belton while he sat inside his car has outraged the public, and now there's even more anger as prosecutors allow one of his alleged killers to enter a plea agreement. Keenan Adams-Kinard was just 16 years old when he was arrested for allegedly beating Belton to death in the summer of 2013. While some people believe Adams-Kinard and his co-defendant Demetrius Glenn deserve that same fate, the prosecution's hands are tied when it comes to just how much prison time these two teens can get. That's probably because the state can't prove the two suspects intended to kill Belton. The only weapons involved may have been the teens' fists. Prosecutors can prove Belton died in the course of a robbery, and that's why the suspects are charged with first-degree murder. But the state needs intent, like a pre-planned fatal gunshot wound, to file aggravated murder, and that's the only charge that would lead to life in prison. Private defense attorney Chris Bugbee is not associated with a Belton murder case, but says the public should be assured prosecutors are seeking the toughest punishment the law allows.
The prosecutors handling this case are very well experienced. They're very capable and extraordinarily talented individuals. They're making the best decisions they can with what they have to work with on this case.
And so, Nadine, if Adams-Kinard pleads guilty as charged here tomorrow afternoon, he faces a minimum of 20 years in prison. We still do not know if his co-defendant will also plead guilty or begin standing trial here on Monday. Reporting live at the courthouse, Jeff Humphrey, KXLY4.